Hi, my name is Ashley Cooper. I'm our head of learning design and experience, and we at Capgemini are very excited to partner with ETU for our Emerging Leaders program. At Capgemini, we believe that all of our employees are leaders, and this is supported by our leadership vision. Our Emerging Leaders program is a brand new program. It's designed and built to aid our first-time leaders, whether they are leaders for the first time with one direct report or whether they're managing and leading a team for the first time. The journey for the Emerging Leadership program is built around 4 moments that matter. These moments that matter were specifically picked by our business and our subject matter experts. Within each of those moments that matter, our employees start by understanding the context of that moment that matters, then develop skills by curated content, and then go into the simulations to practice and really get into what that scenario is that feeds that moment that matters. Our envision, or what we really want our employees to get out of it, is that they're having the ability to practice these scenarios before they're given them in real time. So really becoming that life raft for them to survive and to thrive rather than to drown when they're thrown into these situations, an actual job. There's 2 different ways that skills are going to be measured and developed in the program. The first is our learner is going to do a self-assessment, so really measuring themselves on the skills that they think they have, and those skills are related directly to our leadership vision. The second is the data that we are going to get based off of the simulation and that practice exercise. Our goal is that between looking at the way they rated themselves and the data from the self-assessment and the data from their skills practice, that they'll be able to see what they think of themselves as a leader and what they're actually doing from a leadership standpoint, and then how they can improve and grow further within the program. It's been a really fun journey of us developing this Emerging Leaders program. We actually heavily use focus groups of learners that would be going through this program, but that are gonna already be in a different leadership program. But we've been using them as the focus group to help us design the program and get their input in terms of what they would have liked to see and how that they would have felt during the program. In terms of coaching, we really like the solution for this because every time the learner or our employee makes a decision within the module, they're going to get feedback based on the action that they chose. So they're going to make a decision, get feedback immediately, but then at the end, they're also going to get a full report of their decisions and what they could have done differently or what they've done well to help continue that growth mindset and continuous learning experience for them to carry on in their development. We're still making a lot of key decisions about what we are going to do with the skills data, but a few of our big goals coming out of the skills data is, 1, to get a full holistic view of the skills maturity for our emerging leaders or our first-time leaders. The second is to be able to really show where our learners are either struggling or excelling, so we can continue to build other learning programs based off of their needs. And the third is for us to have a view of what leadership skills transitions are looking like across our entire curriculum of leadership offering.